Here's a fruit for thought. Whenever you don't feel like doing something, just do something. Hey y'all, I hope you guys are having a great day. So currently right now I am wearing the Crafted Queen straight virgin hair. The lengths are 26, 24, 22 with a 16-inch frontal. I don't know why I said closure, but it's a 13x6 frontal, y'all. Y'all need to get into the game. So currently right now I am rocking the Crafted Queen's hair ties, and y'all need to get into the game, y'all. Like, period. So I'm just gonna continue this video. I'll be showing you guys different styles that you could do with this unit. You know, it's a custom wig, and baby, do y'all not see these edges, y'all? Do y'all not see these edges, y'all? I felt like doing edges on myself. I could do it way better on people, but I'm super proud of myself. I did it and I set it down with my hair tie. So now we're just gonna go about the video and show you guys some different ways to style your lace frontal or your lace frontal sewing. So yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and also if y'all haven't did so, go subscribe to my channel. Just subscribe. So I'm gonna just stop talking and I'm gonna start styling, and I'll see y'all later.
Just waiting from my thumb like the farms. Woo, this beat tastes like lunch, but it's running from veneers and it's running from the front. But every day, hey, well, lemonade, I was afraid. Once a nigga graduate, could I be okay? So I prayed and I played. It's free on a nigga, but constellation is space. Horse big, thought the spark couldn't chase.
Fighting speakers in the face.
Get it. I told you we won't stop. I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to motherfucking digits. Pull it with a lemon. Knock she ain't living. This ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga about the business. Like yours, but you renting. Wave that low to the top. Nigga, the very wrong vibe. Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got the window down, top blown up. Got the hazard on, we gon' fly. You could catch me, read in the new La Ferrari. And the truck behind me got arms. Yeah, longer than the palm. Just waiting from my thumb like the farms. Woo, this beat tastes like lunch, but it's running from veneers and it's running from the front. But every day, hey, well, lemonade, I was afraid. Once a nigga graduate, could I be okay? So I prayed and I played. It's free on a nigga, but constellation is space. Horse big, thought the spark couldn't chase.
Fighting speakers in the face.
Get it.
Savannah, why did you do this to yourself? Why couldn't you thoroughly comb your hair to slick it back to do a nice perfect bun? That's why you're gonna take it off. You're gonna take it off in like a few seconds. Take it off. But appreciate it, y'all. Appreciate the effort. I'm gonna give myself E for effort. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any ideas of what y'all would like to see, please place it below on the comments. What? Please place it on the comments below. Alright? So, yeah.
Longer than LeBron. Just waiting for my thumb like the farm. Woo, this beat tastes like lunch, but it's running from veneers and it's running from the front. But every day, hey, well, lemonade, I was afraid. Once a nigga graduate, could I be okay? So I prayed and I played. It's Rihanna, nigga, but constellation in space. Work speed, the spark gun chase.
Amps on, fire speakers in the face.
Get it.
Y'all, this is a phase of disappointment, okay? These braids did not come out the way I wanted it to look like, okay? I wanted it like, I don't know, Savannah Try Better braids. That's what I wanted to call it, Savannah Try Better. So as you can see, like my sister's asking me, you don't like the braids? You don't like it, Sav? Heck, nah, baby. Nah, let me redeem myself real quick. I got y'all. Wait a minute, like the song said. Wait a minute, okay?
Hey, niggas can't believe my race. Niggas hit you with the Eli face. Wait a minute. Talk to me, Thunderbird. It's gonna be outrageous.
Y'all see that little shimmy? Y'all saw that little smirk, baby? Yo, this is what I wanted my hair to look like. I honestly did this video so y'all can see the process of me every day styling my frontals. Like, when you have an image of how you want to look like for the day, you like, baby, gotta try again. You feel me? Get up and try again. So I'm completely satisfied with my little side braid. I don't know what y'all call it. I call it a little side under braid. I was gonna add some gems to it, but I was like, nah, baby, you 24. You don't need no gems on the side. Nah, special show outfit. Y'all, I'm like so excited, but yeah. Ew.
Constellation in space. Work speed, the spark gun chase.
Amps on, fire speakers in the face.
Get it. Get it.